afternoon sir, ito po ang aking report. Di ko na sir ibabasahin yung ano, paliwanag. Ito na lang sir, paliwanag lang po at example. Yung una sir, yung sabi na po dito yung companies in the BPO industry are improving employee skills because automation and artificial intelligence are changing the way business operate. Workers now need advanced digital such as data analytic, AI, creativity, and communication to remain competitive. Dito sa for example sir, Convergys Philippines invested in training program that teach employees digital and analytical skills. This help worker prepare to for future jobs and require human creativity and emotional intelligence. Yun sir. Tapos next sir yung ethical and social issues. Dito naman sir yung daw po yun. Yung companies must protect customer information from data breaches and muses muses in the Philippines. The Data Privacy Act of 2012 requires business to secure personal data. Nakatapat ba sa akin? Example, Globe Telecom use encryption, secure cloud storage, and transparent data policies to protect customer information and comply with privacy regulation. Yun sir. At sunod sir yung social equity and inclusion. Dito naman sir, yung business are expected to promote fairness, diversity, and equal opportunities in the workplace while helping underserved communities. Example sir, PLDT Creative Diversity and Inclusion Program for Employees and Supported Digital Literacy and Education Project to help bridge the digital divide in the Philippines. Yun sir. Kasunod naman sir yung environmental challenges. Dito naman sir yung business are using renewable energy in reducing waste and adopting eco-friendly operation to protect the environment. So, example naman dito sir yung Energy Development Corporation invest in geothermal and renewable energy project into promote sustainable energy and reduce carbon emission. Yun sir. And next sir yung navigating domestic political uncertainty. Yun sir, basta yun. Business in the Philippines must adapt to change in government policies, regulation, and leadership. Strategic flexibility helps companies continue operating successful despite political and economic change. Example naman sir dito yung Megawide Construction Corporation diversified in its project by balancing government infrastructure contracts with private development. This helped the company reduce risk when government policies change. Yun po daw sir yun. Tapos kasunod sir yung adjusting to regional geopolitical tensions. Regional conflicts and terrorist dispute in Southeast Asia can affect trade, transportation, and access to resources. Companies must quickly adjust operation to avoid disruption. Example sir, Philippines fishing companies partner with Asian countries to access alternative fishing areas to the tension in the South China Sea. Shipping companies also change routes to avoid risky waters and maintain smooth trade operation. Dun sir. Find out nakikita. Sunod sir yung strategic flexibility in responding to regulatory change. Ito naman daw sir, as a law and regulation change, business must quickly adapt to remain compliant while maintaining efficiency and competitiveness. Example sir, Unibank of the Philippines adopt digital banking and flexing solution after the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas introduced new digital banking regulation sir. Tapos this allow the bank to follow new rules while improving customer service. Yun sir. Kasunod naman dito sir yung strategic flexibility. Dito naman daw sir yung is the ability of company to quickly adjust its strategies and operations respond to change policy and politics sir. Ito ang importante daw sir, yung companies that are flexibility can reduce risk, adapt to uncertainty, and take advantage of new business opportunity. Next sir is yung adapting to trade policies and global market shift. Philippine companies that depend on export must adjust to change in international trade policies daw po sir. Example naman dito sir, yung the Philippines electronics industry adjusted to US-China trade conflict by expanding into European and South Asia markets. Semiconductor companies shift some product to serve new customer and maintain stable export. Yun sir. And kasunod sir yung negativing domestic political uncertainty. Business in the Philippines must adapt to change government policies, regulation, and leadership strategic. Strategic flexibility helps companies continue operating successful despite politics change. Example sir, yung mega wide nga sir. Tapos, sunod sir dyan ay yung adjusting to regional geographical tension. Ito na pala sir, sustainable resources management. Sustainable resources management means using natural resources responsible while protecting the environment daw sir. So, example sir dito yung Energy Development Corporation invest in geothermal renewable energy project and water conservation recycling program to reduce environmental damage and support sustainability. Ayun sir. Ang sunod sir yung regulatory compliance. Dito naman daw sir, yung regulatory compliance means daw po ng following government and environmental laws and regulations sir. Example sir, yung Holcim Philippines adopted eco-friendly technological alternative fuels and better waste management system to comply with environmental regulation from the DENR. Yun sir. Next sir, yung geopolitical uncertainty. Naman daw sir yung ano sir, yung trade tension and sustainability between countries that can affect business, trade, and supply chain. Example sir, yung Philippines agricultural exporter of bananas and coconut oil expanded to market like Japan, South Korea, and the Middle East to reduce dependence on sustainable markets such as US and China. And number 4 sir, yung risk management through market diversification. Yun naman daw sir yung supply chains to reduce business risk caused by political or economic problem daw sir. Example sir, Philippines exporter look for new international buyers and improve local supply chains to maintain sustainable revenue despite global trade disruption. Yun sir. So sir yung last sir yung strategic flexibility. Yung last yun strategic flexibility is the ability of company to quickly adapt strategies and operation when political, economic, and market conditions change. Example sir, companies in the Philippines are just their operations, supply chains, and business strategies to adapt global trade change and government policies. Yun lang po sir, and thank you po.